In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Telegram to N8N. So the first thing you want to do inside N8N, click on Add First Step over here, and then inside Search Nodes, search for Telegram. There we go. When you find it, click on it, and then you can select either a trigger or an action. So what we're going to do over here is we're going to just select an action. We're going to do Get a Chat, but of course you can do whatever you want. From here, you want to first select your credentials. So click on here and click Create New Credential. And in here, what you want to do is go inside Connection, and where it says Access Token, this is what we're going to get right now. The way you can do this, you click Open Docs up here. And as you can see, it will open the docs, which basically will tell you how to do this. Now, the way you can do this is you want to start a chat with the bot fodder, and you want to just click over here where it says Bot Fodder. And inside here, you want to click on the Start Bot in case you have Telegram installed on your computer. But if you don't, you can just use the web version like me. Click on Open in Web. And then from here, you want to click Start. Now, once you do that, the first thing you then want to do is do /new bot. So over here, you can hover over this, and then at the top, it says /new bot. Now, you can also read this over here. This is exactly what it says. From here, what you want to do is first give this bot a name. What we're going to do is I'm going to give it a name test IHT, because this is, of course, instant how-to. And like this, I'm going to click enter. There we go. You have to then choose a username. Now, it must look like this. So we're going to do the exactly same, test IHT _ bot. Okay, of course, name it whatever you want, but if the name is already taken, you will have to basically set a new name that is different from the one before that isn't yet taken. So we're going to do this, click enter, and there we go. Congratulations on your new bot. You will find it at, and then this, but what we're going to look at over here is actually this token. And this is the token you will need. So click over here and make sure you actually keep this token secure and store it safely, because anyone can use it to control your bot. So basically what you can just do is not show it to anyone and you'll be good to go. But me, I'm going to just delete this one because I showed it to you. I'm going to delete the bot right after the video. So copy this. Go back to your N8N, and then in the access token, paste this in here and leave this base URL as it is. Click on save. And just like this, it will say credentials successfully created in test project, which is my project. You can now close this down. And as you can see over here, I'm going to do no thanks. You can then basically just set anything you want inside here. And therefore, we have just connected Telegram to N8N. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.